you want to learn how to play keyboard in the simplest form possible, that's why I'm going to be teaching you how to play a keyboard step by step. Make sure not to skip any part or pause any part of the video, because welcome back to Dorcas Kids TV. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click the video quickly. I'm going to be teaching you how to play a keyboard. Very simple. So this is a keyboard. Now you can see this 5 key, this do re mi fa sol ti do. This 5 keyboard, this is all in a keyboard. So all these are just extra keys, like your C, your D, your E, your F, your G, just different notations. So like you know, when they have different chords and everything. So I'm going to be teaching you how to know. So many people have difficulties in knowing where their C, their D is, you know, for the beginners, that is. So you see this is my pinky finger, right? This pinky finger. So this would be my C. Any key behind the third, you can see these 3 black buttons. Any key behind the third button, the third black keys, is your C. You can see this is your C, this is your C, this is your C. Any key behind this is your C. Okay, so this will be your C. This will be your C. Now, to know where your D is just after your C. So if I want to play my C, my C, my D, C, my C, my D. Some people might not be comfortable using your pinky because it might be tight for them like this. But if you can have any other option, use this. This is your C. This is your D. Your D is the key in between the two. In between the third line. See there, it's immediately, just have it in mind that it's immediately after your C. This is your C, this is your D, this is your E. It's just go straight forward. C, D, E, C, D, E, F. Simple. C, D, E, F. Well, I don't prefer using my thumb because you can use your thumb will be very uncomfortable. So C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F. Simple. So just have in mind that before your first 3 black keys is from your C to F. Now, to know where your G, A, B is, it's very simple. It's immediately after the 2 keys there, right? Immediately after these 3 black keys. These 2 black keys consist of your 3 keys, G, A, B, and it just goes straight forward, just like your C and F. So your G comes before your 2 black keys. Your A comes after. Your B comes last. G, A, B, G, A, B. So now let's start from beginning. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Very, very simple. So let's so let me play a little song for you. Mary key in between these your 2 black keys. So sing for me as I play, please. Very, very simple. So playing your keys, you don't have to worry about the fact that you have to be looking at your keys, maybe your notes, to play a keyboard. No, just know where your keys are. I've taught you this is your C, your D, this is your E, and this is your F. You can choose one with your F or this. Just have in mind that your C comes before this, your D comes after, your E comes next, and your F comes next. Simple. Then your G, A, B. If you think that, look at this now. This is more deep. This is more like your sharp. This is your flat. Very simple. So you want to play on a high key, you want to play on the low key, you want to play on your on flat key. Very, very simple. If you watch to this point, I'm sure you are subscribed. Please, in case you're not, don't forget to click your subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next level. Thank you.